Well, hello there. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I said this is. Well, I guess I am. You're on Grandma Ray Don't Play channel, and I'm Rachel. How about that? Huh? Okay. So what I have for you today is we're going to make some meatballs, and I have 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of turkey that I mixed together. And the purpose for me doing that is two reasons. When I went to the grocery store, beef prices was out of control and the turkey was more reasonable, and I needed 2 pounds. So what I did is I got 1 pound each to cut my costs down and also to cut down the amount of beef that I'm taking in. I'm trying to cut back on beef a little bit, okay? Alright, so we're going to be making meatballs in the air fryer oven. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's stay tuned, okay? Okay, 1 minute. Alright, so what we have here is some meatballs that I've made. I already made 6. Excuse me, I already made 6. And I'm going to make 2 more for you. Okay, I'm making them pretty big. So you just get it and you just roll it like this in your hand. Okay, and you come up with a meatball. And I need 1 more. Try to make them all the same size. If you have to adjust. Like this one here I just made is not big enough, so I'll put that back and make another one. Okay? When you're making them this big, it's a good idea to make them in the air fryer oven or the regular oven, because they're so big. To get it cooked on every side might be a little challenging. Okay? Alright, so we now have 8 meatballs that we're going to put in the air fryer oven. I already oiled my rack. I'm just going to place them on here. Try not to have them touching. Well, there we go. We have it all racked up. Okay. I already oiled my drip pan. Okay, let me wash my hands and set that up. Okay. I'm going to turn it on. 370 is good because that's a high number. We want that. And let's go down to, let's set this for 15 minutes. And we'll just watch that, and I'll watch it halfway through. I'll check it with you, okay? Alright, I also want to say, if this is your first time on this channel, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you hang around to see the whole video. And please hit the like button for everyone if you really like it. That helps the bottom line with YouTube and me. That's important, the like button. And please subscribe. I'd love to have you, okay? It means the world to me. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, so our meatballs have stopped. Remember, we had it cooking for 15 minutes. Let's check the temperature. Okay, we're looking for a temperature of 160 for the meatballs, okay? It's climbing. Okay, we're only at 145. I want to put it back on for another Let's go another 3 minutes. So that will be 18 minutes. On 370. I'm going to go another 3 minutes, so a total of 18 minutes. I think that'll do it. Okay. And I already prepared here on the stove my sauce. Okay, so I have a spaghetti sauce in here. What it is crushed tomatoes, basil, salt, garlic, pepper, and 2 packages of equal substitute. Okay, so then we're going to layer up on the plate so I can show you how to make it. And the purpose of this presentation today is to show you a different way to plate spaghetti so that it looks more appealing, and you know, people eat with their eyes. So if they see something that looks pretty and looks nice, they'll want to eat it. Okay, because you know, we're all used to spaghetti, but if you just cook the ground beef and you mix it up into the sauce and you pour it on like that, it's okay, but we're used to it that way, so it's nothing new. But if you plate it in a different way, it could be a new way of tricking the eye to eat it. Okay? Okay, so we'll be back in 3 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so our 3 minutes have stopped, so that means we've cooked the meatballs a total of 18 minutes. Okay, and let's just take a temperature. I'm going to pull it right out. Get a plate. Okay, let me take a temperature. It's moving pretty fast. That's a good sign. I'm in Massachusetts and it's Sunday today, and it's going to be about 80 degrees. I'm liking that. Okay. It did get up to 155, but I'm not satisfied with 155. Let me check the back one. Let's check this one. Yeah, I'm sorry, but it has to go back in. It's only at 152. I thought we would be all set. Okay, put it back on 370. Let's do 5 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back on 5. Okay, so our meatballs have cooked a total of 23 minutes. Now we're going to see if this temperature is up. Yay, 162. We are good at last. Great. So when you cook your meatballs and they're this large, count on around 23 minutes. So always your best gauge is a thermometer, okay? So you want the meatballs to at least be 160 degrees, okay? Alright, so let me plate up for you. So I have some pasta here that I cooked. You know, this is spaghetti. And it cooked for 12 minutes. So this is what I wanted to show you. Okay, normally, you know, you would put the meatballs on and you put the pasta over it. I want to show you a different trick today. So I'm going to put the sauce over the spaghetti, but not to the edge. You want to leave some white color of the spaghetti on the edge. That's the idea. Like that. Okay. Now we're going to put the meatballs on the top. Oh, if I can get them off. Okay, we're good. Now you want to just set the meatballs right on top. Like that. And let's sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top of that. How about that? What do you think of that, huh? Cool, right? See? So you got a nice presentation. You can see the different colors. You can see the white of the spaghetti, the red of the sauce, and then the meatballs on the top with the Parmesan cheese. That's pretty good. And let me get a picture with me in it. How about that, huh? We're going to call this a new way to plate meatballs. How about that? Oh, I might change it. I don't know. But that sounds good right now. Okay. I love having fun with cooking. It really brings joy to me. So until next time, I'll talk to you later. If you like it, hit the like button, okay? And I'll talk to you soon. Subscribe. Bye-bye.